Welcome to the EPCB boiler installation and commissioning site. This project is an 8-ton chain grate steam boiler produced by EPCB, serving a large feed processing plant. The belt feeder has smooth transportation and uniform feeding, ensuring that the fuel continues to enter the furnace and ensures stable combustion of the boiler. The boiler system adopts an efficient chain grate structure, which has the characteristics of high combustion efficiency and strong fuel adaptability. It is designed for continuous and stable steam supply in the feed industry. The boiler furnace adopts a large furnace design with sufficient combustion space, which effectively reduces the loss of incomplete combustion and ensures efficient combustion of fuel. The slag remover automatically and continuously removes slag, operates stably, and effectively reduces the intensity of manual slag removal. The boiler is equipped with an intelligent electronic control system to achieve one-button start and stop and real-time monitoring, which is simple to operate and safer to operate. The efficient economizer uses the flue gas at the tail of the boiler to preheat the feed water, improve thermal efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Equipped with an efficient dust removal system to meet environmental emission requirements. The intelligent electronic control system can realize one-button start and stop, and monitor temperature, pressure and water level in real time. The chimney is reasonably designed, the smoke exhaust is smooth, and the boiler suction is effectively improved to ensure full combustion. After strict debugging, the boiler was successfully put into production. The steam output was stable, and the high-intensity steam demand of the feed production line was met. Choose EPCB to provide efficient and reliable thermal energy solutions for your industrial production. Welcome to contact us for customized solutions.